Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to add a media to UiPath Apps. So let's start with adding a media to UiPath Apps. So for that, you have to click on add control, and out of that you have a media option available. Then you can navigate to the media and select the media option. And after that, a open as prompt will open. So from that prompt, you can actually select a particular media that you want to add to your UiPath app. I'll select a particular image or a media that I want to add to my app, and I'll simply click on open. After I clicked on open, that image will be automatically added to my UiPath App Studio, and you can utilize that image to build your beautiful app. Now you might be wondering the image or the media that you have added, how you want to use while designing. So for that purpose, what you can do is you can go to control, then go to the display, and from the display control you can use image. You have to drag and drop the image control. After you have drag and drop the image control from the control panel, then it will be added to your canvas of your app. Then you have to go to the properties of the particular control, and in the general properties there is an option called source. So from this source you have to open sources, and in the open sources you can select a particular media that actually you want to add and want to show in that particular app design. So this is how you actually add a media from your storage or from your shared location and utilize to design your UiPath app. Now let's see what are different formats are only supported while we upload and add any media to UiPath apps. I'll click on media and just simply add any random file, and let's see, or we'll try to add a video. Now you can see these are the only formats which are supported by UiPath apps now. You can add media of those format only to UiPath apps, and you can use those media to style your UiPath apps that you are going to design. I hope you got an understanding of how to add media to your UiPath apps and how to utilize that and how you can use to design your app. Stay tuned for next update, and thanks for watching.